allowing an enterprise to really understand what those collaboration patterns are and do proximity in between interdepartments and creating efficiencies there for them to be more agile and work more effectively and efficiently together. And then understanding really how their space is being used or occupied, and understanding what kind of real estate portfolio they're going to need for the future for their existing workforce, and how to create their environments today that are conducive to how their workforce wants to work and they want to get work done. So sensors enable all of those kind of objective data insights to be ingested and, decipher how to best plan for increasing their ROI from the productivity level and from an investment in real estate perspective.
I think, it's interesting because you're taking a very tenant-specific approach, right? How they use the space within our buildings. I mean, as a landlord, we've for the longest time have really paid no attention to this because it's crazy, right? So what other industry do you spend 7 months negotiating with the tenant and talking to them every single day, and then the next 10 years not speaking to them, right? Like, you just hope that you get some serendipitous run-ins in the hallway, I suppose, with your property manager, and you'll get the call for the light bulb change. But these are your customers, right? And we're not. The industry as a whole has not stayed on top of the tenants to say, how can we make this experience better for you? And that's where like co-working saw such a huge opportunity, right? When WeWork came in and said, like, no, this is going to be a high touch environment, not a low touch. Here's your keys, move in. But this is going to be a high touch. We're going to help you grow in flexibility. We're going to help you understand how you use the space. We're going to even put certain sensors and beacons on conference rooms to show, hey, you booked this room, but no one actually ended up walking in. And so as a landlord, we worry about the common spaces. We worry about the point of entry. We worry about the path of travel until you get to the point that you go into your workspace. And we've said, okay, once you're in your workspace, it's on you. And that's changing. And we need to be really, really ahead of that curve, especially as we, like I talked about with the co-working companies, as they masterfully figure out how tenants use their space. As a landlord, we need to get smarter about how they use their space so we can make predictive suggestions to them